Hello guys, like in this session we'll see how to implement the step definition for this feature file. We'll just after preparing this feature file we'll just dry run this. Click this, see it's generating this code snippet for step definitions file. You can implement missing steps with the snippet below. For this we can copy this missing snippets as it is, just copy, and we're going to create a step definition in source.testjava folder. Create a new folder, step defs, finish. Create a Java file. Login step .java. See, login page definition skeleton is implemented. Inside this we are going to paste the snippet. See, this given, add given, these are the methods with respect to annotations. So this given, when, then, so we'll just mouse over on this and we'll import this. Given for we'll go check with this given and well. Okay, and we'll create a driver object and login page object. And import the web driver statements and we'll mention as private, and also we'll create a login page object. Okay, like this is the pages there. We'll create a object for this login page. Login page and we'll import login pages from the pages. See, we'll import login pages from the pages. We'll import login pages to our step definition, login step definitions. So here also we'll declare as a private for security purpose. Control S, and hereafter, like I'm going to implement the hooks concept in Cucumber. Like there are two annotations for the hooks concept, that is at before and at after. We'll see how to implement. We'll write the hooks. Right. Setup. Here we'll declare we'll launch the cron driver. We'll already declare the driver, so we'll just use we'll import this. This is the launching activity, browser launching activity will perform here. See, import before IO cucumber.java, just import it. And another method is at after. After keyword, here also public void tear down. Here we will use driver closing activities, driver dot quit. All the opening the driver windows like browsers will closing. Will import after statement also. Yeah, these two, but before and at after is called as a good concept. Here is the setup. At before section will do all the setup like launching the Chrome driver and these steps, and at after will like driver closing activities, driver dot close or driver dot quit performing. Yeah, this is like for each scenarios, like each test scenarios, it will be executing it before at after. Like there is currently is only one scenario. There are multiple scenarios. For starting with each scenario, it's going to this is going to run and before launching the driver and closing. So this is the hoops concepts. Just will save it. See, in this before in the background keyword there is a one given session. I am on SpiceJet login page. Here I need to launch the SpiceJet page. So we'll go to this particular step definition and we'll remove this quotes. I am on the SpiceJet login page, right? So here driver dot get method is the string. So inside the string we need to pass the URL, right? So we'll go here and we'll copy the URL and coming back to this, launching this particular driver. So okay, yeah, next we'll work on click on login button and we'll add this. See, login page will go over. Login page, and we use this as a login page. Pass a driver as an argument. So once after finishing this step, then we'll go to the next one. Next implementation is I click on login button. Okay. So buttons. Click on login button, right? So this is the login page. So we created here we created login page object. So here we'll remove this code snippet. Here we'll write the same thing. Enter mobile number, password, submit, enter login. See here the enter login from the login page. If we mouse over this and click on this, it's going to the pages layer login page. Enter login means see web element email input. So here driver.find element login button. If you go to the login button, this is initially the login button address. Means this particular login button address is fine. So like that we need to implement for all the step definition implementation page. So let's save this. Yeah, see if you go to here and we'll write this as a string. Now I need to write a step definition for this particular enter a valid sorry, this is valid username and password. This string I need to write as username as login page. So step definition username go here,